नमस्कार दोस्तों, यह सैंपल पेपर साइंस 2025 की है जो सीबीएसई की तरफ से जारी किया गया है। यह सैंपल क्लासेस 10 के बच्चों के लिए है, जिसमें मैक्स मार्क्स 80 का होगा। जनरल इंस्ट्रक्शंस। टाइम अलाउड 3 hours. All questions would be compulsory. However, an internal choice of approximately 33% would be provided. 50% marks are to be allotted to competency-based questions. Section A would have 16 simple complex MCQs and 4 assertion reasoning type questions carrying 1 mark each. Section B would have 6 short answer type questions carrying 2 marks each. Section C would have 7 short answer type questions carrying 3 marks each. Section D would have 3 long answer type questions carrying 5 marks each. Section E would have 3 source-based case-based passage-based integrated units of assessment, 4 marks each, with subparts of the values of 1 to 3 marks. Section A. Question 1. Identify P, Q and R in the following balanced reaction. P lead nitrate, Q lead oxide plus R nitrogen dioxide plus oxygen. At 2,2,4. B 2,4,2. C 2,4,4. D 4,2,2. Correct answer is A 2,2,4. Question 2. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option using the given codes. 1. Column 1. A metal that forms amphoteric oxides. Column 2. 1 gallium. B. A metal which melts when kept on our palm. 2 gold. C. A metal that reacts with nitric acid. 3 aluminium. D. A metal which cannot displace hydrogen from acids. 4 manganese. A 2 B I C 3 D 4. B A 3 B I C 4 D 2. C A 4 B 2 C 3 D I. D A 3 B 2 C I D 4. Correct answer is C. Question 3. The solution in the given figure is likely to be A. Nitric acid. B. Ethanol. C. Sulfuric acid. D. Carbon dioxide in water. Correct answer is D. Carbon dioxide in water. Question 4. An aqueous solution A turns the phenolphthalein solution pink. On addition of an aqueous solution B to A, the pink color disappears. Which of the following one statement is true for the solutions A and B? A is strongly basic and B is a weak base. B A is strongly acidic and B is a weak acid. C A has a pH greater than 7 and B has a pH less than 7. D A has a pH less than 7 and B has a pH greater than 7. Correct answer is D. A has a pH less than 7 and B has a pH greater than 7. Question 5. When 50 gram of lead powder is added to 300 ml of blue copper sulfate solution, after a few hours, the solution becomes colorless. This is an example of A. Combination reaction. B. Decomposition reaction. C. Displacement reaction. D. Double displacement reaction. Correct answer is D. Double displacement reaction. Question 6. The electronic configuration of 3 elements X, Y and Z are X is 2, 8, 7, Y is 2, 8, 2 and Z is 2, 8. A. Y and Z are metals. B. Y and X are nonmetals. C. X is a non-metal and Y is a metal. D. Y is a non-metal and X is a metal. Correct answer is C. X is a non-metal and Y is a metal. Question 7. Which of the following is an endothermic reaction? A. Burning of candle. B. Cooking of food. C. Decomposition of vegetable matter. D. Reaction of sodium with air. Correct answer is B. Cooking of food. Question 8. During cellular oxidation of glucose, ATP is produced along with formation of other products in this reaction. Which of the following events is associated with production of maximum ATP molecules per molecule of glucose during this process? Synthesis of A. Ethanol in yeast. B. Lactic acid in muscle cells. C. Carbon dioxide in yeast cells. D. Carbon dioxide in human cells. Correct answer is D. Carbon dioxide in human cells. Question 9. During which of the following stages of the circulation of blood in a normal human being the oxygenated blood is pumped to all parts of the body? A. Contraction of the left atrium. B. Contraction of left ventricle. C. Relaxation of the right atrium. D. Relaxation of the right ventricle. Correct answer is B. Contraction of left ventricle. Question 10. Which of the following adaptations in herbivores helps in digestions of cellulose? A. Longer large intestine. B. Smaller large intestine. C. Smaller small intestine. D. Longer small intestine. Correct answer is D. Longer small intestine. Question 11. There was cerebellar dysfunction in a patient. Which of the following activities will get disturbed in this patient as a result of this? A. Salivation. B. Hunger control. C. Posture and balance. D. Regulation of blood pressure. Correct answer is C. Posture and balance. Question 12. In snails, individuals can begin life as male and depending on environmental conditions they can become female as they grow. This is because A. Male snails have dominant genetic makeup. B. Female snails have dominant genetic makeup. C. Expression of sex chromosomes can change in a snail's lifetime. D. Sex is not genetically determined in snails. Correct answer is D. Sex is not genetically determined in snails. Question 13. In the following cases, a ray is incident on a concave mirror. In which case is the angle of incidence equal to 0? A ray parallel to the principal axis. B. A ray passing through the center of curvature and incident obliquely. C. A ray passing through the principal focus and incident obliquely. D. A ray incident obliquely to the principal axis at the pole of the mirror. Correct answer is B. A ray passing through the center of curvature and incident obliquely. Question 14. Choose the correct option for the color of rays for A and B. Color of ray A, color of ray B. And blue red. B. Green yellow. C. Red violet. D. Violet indigo. Correct answer is C. Red and violet. Question 15. Identify the incorrect statement. The energy available to the producers is maximum because A. It is the first trophic level which absorbs 1% of light energy directly from the source. B. It utilizes the most of the chemical energy for its own respiration, growth, reproduction, movement, etc. C. It utilizes 10% of light energy and transfers the rest to the next trophic level. D. It transfers only 10% of light energy to the next trophic level. Correct answer is C. It utilizes 10% of light energy and transfers the rest to the next trophic level. Question 16. Which of the following is not a role of decomposers in the ecosystem? A. Natural replenishment of soil. B. Enrichment of oxygen in atmosphere. C. Waste decomposition. D. Breakdown of dead remains. Correct answer is B. Enrichment of oxygen in atmosphere. Question 17 to 20 consist of two statements, assertion A and reason R. Answer these questions by selecting the appropriate option given below. A. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R are true, and R is not the correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Correct answer is C. A is true but R is false. Question 18. Assertion A. Generally, the number of chromosomes in a cell and in a germ cell is not the same in species. Reason R. When two germ cells combine, they restore the normal number of chromosomes in a species. Correct answer is A. Both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question 19. Assertion A convex mirror always forms an image behind it and the image formed is virtual. Reason R. According to the sign convention, the focal length of a convex mirror is positive. Correct answer is B. Both A and R is true and R is the correct explanation of A. Question 20. Assertion if the lions are removed from a food chain, it will not affect the food chain. However, if the plants are removed from a food chain, it will disturb the ecosystem. Reason R. Plants are producers who can make food using sunlight while lions are consumers. Correct answer is D. A is false but R is true. Question 21. Identify the type of each of the following reactions, stating the reason for your answers. A. Iron oxide plus aluminium, aluminium plus iron plus heat. B. Lead nitrate plus potassium, lead iodide plus potassium nitrate. Answer of A. A. Exothermic displacement reaction, redox reaction. Heat is evolved or a more reactive element displaces a less reactive element, or aluminium reduces iron to oxide to iron. Answer of B. Double displacement reaction. As there is an exchange of ions between reactants and products, but a yellow precipitate of lead iodide is formed. Question 22. Differentiate between alveoli and nephron on the basis of the following points. Answer. 1. Alveoli has balloon-like structures present at the terminal ends of bronchioles in lungs, and nephron has tubular structure present in kidneys. 2. Alveoli can exchange of gases and nephron can filter the blood to form urine. Question 23. Attempt either option A or B. A. List the steps for the synthesis of glucose by the plants. What special feature is found in desert plants related to this process? Answer. A. Steps of synthesis of glucose in plants. First, absorption of light energy by chlorophyll. Second, conversion of light energy to chemical energy and splitting of water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen. Third, reduction of carbon dioxide into carbohydrates. Fourth, desert plants take up carbon dioxide at night and prepare an intermediate which is acted upon by the energy absorbed by the chlorophyll during the day. Question 24. The above figure shows the formation of an image by lens shown by thick line. Analyze the figure and answer the following questions. A. What is the type of lens used? Answer. The lens is a convex lens. B. What is the nature of the image? Answer. The image is virtual. C. If the image is formed at a distance of 30 cm from the lens and the image is twice the size of the object, then where is the object placed? Answer. Magnification for lens is equal to V upon U. After calculation you will get object distance equal to -15 cm. Attempt either option A or B. A. The electric circuit, above figure, in a clothes dryer contains two heaters X and Y in parallel. The above figure shows the circuit connected to a 230 volt power supply. When both switches are closed, the current in X is 3.5 ampere. Analyze the circuit given above and answer the following questions. 1. Calculate the power developed in heater X. Answer. Power equal to volt multiply current. Means we need to multiply 230 and 3.5 and finally you will get 805 watt. So half the resistance means double the current. Therefore, current in Y equal to 7 ampere. Hope you liked the video and best of luck for your exam.